Alright. Engine, transmission. Bottom transmission mount. It's got the rubber bushing back here. It's not crazy, but it's a little bit. I don't know how this is going to auto-rotate, or if it is. Thing that concerns me, actually, is when spinning one wheel, that seems like a shit ton of backlash inside the transmission. It's leaking a little bit. I didn't see from the fluid that I emptied that there was any metal shavings or anything in it. Checking on my engine mount, or my subframe mount bolts. There's one. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not with how I'm holding this damn thing. There it is. Got the one right there. Two back here. Two back there. I mean, just because the heads haven't come off doesn't mean that I'm broken, but like looking at the state of them. There's one up there. I don't know if I actually got those two. Those two over there, but anyways. It doesn't seem crazy to me. I don't want to do that too much. Being underneath the car and everything, that was just the jack stand. Like, it's got to be diff, right? And if it's diff,